Hello everyone, and today I'm just gonna be doing a video just showing what I see when I go driving sometimes with some friends. First of all, here Turbo M4 and a GT3, but then all of a sudden we see a Bugatti Veyron just coming under the stop sign right here. Just a beautiful car, and I had no idea I would get this lucky and see a car like this. But you guys know, it's just the car spotting luck, right? And here in slow-mo you'll see him again. Passing by under that stop sign, and yeah, we try to catch him. No chance, no chance. He was gone. And then next I saw a McLaren 765 LT actually right here on the left lane, and I'll show you guys in slow-mo. It even had a roof scoop and everything. Very nice spec. And then I also saw a Rivian electric truck, which I was very surprised to see because they're not really out yet, you know. But I got super lucky, and you can see in matte black right there behind, of course, a Tesla Model X. But the Rivian truck, that is so much crazier in my opinion than the Model X, which has the cool doors. But the Rivian, it's a truck, and it's electric, and it's fast, probably. And then here I was just having fun trying to keep up with the Porsche GT3 Touring that had like 911R skiing stripes. But yeah, he was gone after I couldn't really catch him. But I tried. He sounded pretty good, so I'll let you guys listen. Yeah, so that's basically it. Let me know what you spotted in the comments below, and if you want to see more of these. I think I saw some pretty cool cars. But yeah, I'm basically just having fun driving around and seeing cool cars. I'm out. See you guys.